In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add ancillary services to your profile listing. After you have created your listings from the members only dashboard, you are going to want to scroll down to the bottom left and click on Profile and Settings. You are now on the Profile Settings page. To get to the Ancillary page, click on the green Launch button under Ancillary Services. You are now on the Ancillary listing page. Another way to get to this page is to type in nachi.org/ancillary-services. To update your listing with an ancillary service, you are going to activate a service by clicking on a gray slider next to a service. So let's say we want to add the InterNACHI mold inspection service to our profile listing. We are going to scroll down to where we see mold and click on the gray slider. The slider will turn green, activating the mold service. In order to save the mold service that we are listing, head to the far right of the mold service and click on the gray Save Changes text. The mold ancillary service has been saved to my listing. The page will then refresh and you should see in green that my ancillary service has been updated. The page also confirms which ancillary service I've added, and for my example, it was the mold certification. Now, what if we want to add more than one ancillary listing at a time? We will toggle a few of these ancillary gray sliders to green, scroll all the way down, and click on the blue Save Changes button. That will save all of my new ancillary listings. Again, we will see a text at the top of the refresh page confirming the ancillary services that I have activated. These ancillary services you provide will show up on our search engines as well as on nachi.org/certified-inspectors. On this web page, a potential client can search in his or her area for an InterNACHI certified inspector. The client can narrow his or her search by ancillary services. If you provide the service the potential client wants, you will now show up in their search. Thanks for watching this how-to video. Have a great rest of your day.